Rock Solid Knowledge provide an all-in-one .NET template that lets you install Admin UI and a skeleton SSO solution based on OpenEdict. And in this talk, we'll see how to install that template and then use it to create instances of OpenEdict and Admin UI. So the first thing you need to do is to install the template. And we can do that by running .NET new install and then giving it the name of the template, which is rsk.admin all-in-one.openedict. And if we run this, the template gets installed. To prove that the template is installed, we can list our templates. And to do that, I can run .NET new list rsk. So this will list the Rock Solid Knowledge templates. And we can see the all-in-one OpenEdict template is there. Now to use this template, we'll need to know a few things. We'll need to name the solution we're going to generate, and we need to tell the template information about the database we're going to use. That includes the database type, which could be SQL Server, PostgreSQL, or the one I'll be using, which is MySQL. And then we'll need to provide the connection string for that server. In my case, the call will look like this. So I'm creating a new project based on the Admin UI plus OpenEdict templates. The name of the solution is My All-in-One Solution. I'm using MySQL as a database, and that's the connection string for my database. Notice the schema is called OpenEdict. Now you should run this in the directory in which you'd like to create the project. I'm inside a demo directory here. And this will create another directory called My All-in-One Solution that will hold the solution file and the generated projects. So if I hit return here, we've generated the projects. If I list the files in this demo directory, we can see we've now got this My All-in-One Solution directory. So once you've used the template to create the projects, you can then open up the solution either inside Visual Studio or, as I have done here, inside JetBrains Rider. When you do that, you're asked to run npm install to install the various JavaScript packages that are needed. We can do that now, and that's now done. Now, as I've said, you'll need access to a database. Now, inside MySQL, I've added a database called OpenEdict, and this currently has no tables. It's just an empty database. So if I run the OpenEdict solution from inside Rider in this case, this will build and then execute. And after it's started, if I go back to my database and refresh, we can see it's now run a set of migrations and created the tables that I need. Now the next thing we want to do is to run Admin UI. But before we can do that, we need to get a license key. To do that, we can go to this website. It's openedictcomponents.com. And on there, you can find the link to the Admin UI product. Here, just enter your first name and last name and an email address, and we'll email you a license key that will last for a month. So you can test out Admin UI. And I did that a little earlier. So back in the project, if I go into appsettings.json, there's an entry for the license key. And you can take the one you were sent by Rock Solid Knowledge and simply paste it into here. With that in place, I can now run the Admin UI project. And when that runs, that will redirect you to the Admin UI website running on your local machine. Now from here, you need to log in. When you log in for the first time, Admin UI has been set up with a username and a password. That username is info@rocksolidknowledge.com. And the password is password123 ! with a capital P. Then when you click on Login, it will take you to the Admin UI user creation page. So here you can create your actual Admin UI administrator. I can enter my details. I'll create a username of kevin@rocksolidknowledge.com with the same email address, and then I can enter my password. We click on Save, and that will create an Admin UI administrator for me with the username I just entered. We then click on Login again, and now we can log in with the details we just entered. So Kevin at rocksolidknowledge.com and the password I just created. And then once we're logged in, we can use Admin UI on top of OpenEdict. And it really is that simple to install both OpenEdict and Admin UI to use OpenEdict. So as well as this video, there's a document on the OpenEdict components website which walks you through the process that you've just seen in this video. So I hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching.